trying to find some good lighting out here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to In the Garden with Joyful Living. I am Kimberly Dixon, and as you can see this morning, I am not actually in the garden. I am out here this morning at the track. My trainer and I had an early workout today. We haven't started yet, so I'm here. There's another one of his athletes, and there's an athlete down on the far end of the field. Here this morning so that I could get my workout in. But just briefly before we start, I wanted to talk to you about rest. We live in a grind and hustle kind of environment now, where everybody's talking about I gotta grind, I gotta hustle, and I don't live by that philosophy. Even in the scriptures it tells us, and on the seventh day he rested, and he rested. God doesn't need rest, physical rest, but we do. And it really hurts me really when I hear entrepreneurs talking about they sleep 2 hours a night, they sleep 3 hours a night. That's okay every now and again because I've had to do it, but to do that consistently excuse me, day in and day out is such a disservice to us emotionally, physically, and psychologically. We get burned out, stressed out, and overwhelmed, and it takes a toll on us physically. Never in my life have I heard of so many people in their 30s and their 40s and early 50s having massive heart attacks and strokes and dying. It's unbelievable. You remember when we were growing up, people in their 70s and 80s had strokes and heart attacks, and oftentimes they would have some little ones, some warning signs before they had a big one. But that's not the case anymore. I've known multiple people that died in their upper 30s from massive heart attacks, massive strokes, people in their 40s, same situation. But it's because of the lifestyles that we are living now. We're not resting. Sleeping at nighttime is your body's time to regenerate. Regenerate your cells, everything slows down, your digestion, your heart rate, everything is rebuilding in this time when we're sleeping. But if we're not sleeping, when is our body having a time to regenerate and to renew itself and to repair? Repair is a critical part of that. If nothing is ever being repaired, what happens? We are living in a time when we have access to more information than we ever have, but we are dying at such early rates. Why is that? It's the lifestyle. So on tomorrow, I'm going to get some sweet rest. My best girlfriends and I are taking a week-long vacation on an island, and that's the point. We're just going to rest. All three of us work full-time, and all three of us have a business. And over the course of the years, we've noticed that we have started spending less time together. So this year, instead of doing multiple girlfriend trips where we do 2 or 3 days, we're like, let's do an extended vacation together so that we can rest. We didn't plan a whole lot of excursions. We didn't make an agenda for this trip. We are going to rest. I have books packed. I have loungewear packed because this vacation is about renewal. I'm not taking my laptop. I will be doing some social media stuff, and I will be doing some minor things with my phone over the course of the week. But this time is about restoring and renewing, and just really taking that time to regenerate. I've been moving the last week or two, and because long story, I've been doing this in phases for a reason. But I've been moving, and yesterday at the end of the day, I sat down on the sofa, and I was like, I'm just tired. And it wasn't just that regular tired where I've had a long day today. It was fatigue. So tomorrow I'm taking an early flight out, and I'm going to disappear for a week. And next Saturday I'll be back on, but during the course of the week, I'm really focused on renewing and restoring myself. Well, this morning is going to be short, guys, because again, we're working out early because he's got a busy day today and I have a busy day today. So, but I wanted to jump on for just a minute and talk to you guys about resting. We have got to do a better job of resting. Move your bedtime up earlier. Turn your phones off. You should turn your phone off for an hour or two every day, because that constantly being connected is just overwhelming our brains and our bodies, and it's having an effect. You might look good on the outside, but what is your body telling you about the rest, and how are you feeling emotionally? All of that stuff is tied to the amount of sleep you're getting at night. So, good morning, Equela. Thank you for watching. We've got to do a better job of resting at night. It shortens our lifespan when we're not getting proper rest. So yes, be an entrepreneur. Go out there and go hard every day. But to say that you get 2 hours of sleep a night or 3 hours of sleep a night, and that's 5 days out of the week, that's not enough. So you don't hear me talking about grinding and hustling, because I don't grind and hustle. They taught us when I went to coaching school that the same way that you run your business the first 5 years, you'll be doing it 20 years from now. So set your business up in a way that is maintainable and sustainable. And I've done that. It has taken time to grow it. It's still not quote unquote there, but every year I see consistent growth. And I'd rather have that and live to the 100 years old that I want to live to, healthy, than to build this empire, so to speak, in 5 years, but on the 6th year I'm dead. Not doing that one. So guys, get you some rest. I'm going away tomorrow and get me some. I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching In the Garden with Joyful Living out here at the track this morning. See, everybody, my trainer's getting ready to work me. It's going to be lots of fun, and I know I'm going to do a phenomenal job. We speaking that into the atmosphere. So guys, I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching In the Garden with Joyful Living. I'm Kimberly Dixon. I love you. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget, get some proper rest.